Hey guys, I got a good one for you. This is the new e-bike by Velotric. This is the Nomad 1. This is the step through model sky blue. Why did I pick that? Well, I'll be completely honest with you. It's what my mother wanted, and when my mom wants it, that's what she gets. She wanted the step through because she wanted the ability to get on really easy. She also wanted the beautiful sky blue color. Now these do come in an array of colors. You'll have to check out their website. I'll put a link to their website in the description section of this video where I got this bike right here. Great guys, it's an incredible, affordable e-bike, has long range, lots of power, tons of torque. It has everything that you're going to want in an e-bike. So we're going to talk about all that in today's video. Now let's have some fun. Let's get on the road, check it out, see how it rides. I think you're going to love this bike, and then we'll get into the specs a little bit later in the video. Let's go. All right, so I'm here on the front tire. I just want to show a couple features of the front tire. Now it is one of the bigger fat tires here. So now this one here is a 26-inch tire with 4 inches thick with some good grit. So you're going to be able to ride this really in any weather conditions, whether it's on the road or off-road. You're going to be able to ride this bike. It also has really good hydraulics here. So you're going to, I mean, this is one of the smoothest rides of any bike I've ever used. So the shock absorbers on this thing are absolutely incredible. I barely felt a bump on this entire thing, which I thought was really cool. Now let me show you the motor really quick. All right, so on these e-bikes, this is where your motor is going to be. Now this is a 750 watt motor, so you're going to have that torque. You're going to be able to get up those hills. You're going to be able to handle all kinds of conditions with this motor, whether it's pedal assist or straight throttle. And we'll talk about that when I show you the handlebar. You probably saw it on the riding scenes, how fast this thing went. Really is incredible. And this is where your motor's going to be. Now it does have Shimano gear shifters right here. So here's all of your different gears right there. Let me quickly show you the handlebars, and I'll show you how to operate the screen and all of those features as well. All right, the fun of the e-bike. This is the handlebars right here. This is what you see when you ride. First of all, grips, really soft, really comfortable, huge bonus. Secondly, you've got your accelerator on the left side on this bike. Then you also have your little buttons here, which will do your pedal assist and power for the screen. Your screen is this huge screen right here. It is backlit, and I'll show that to you in a second. If you look over to the right, you've got your little bell, and you've got your gear shifters and another grip right there. So that's basically it right there. Let's go ahead and power on the panel. Just takes a second. You hold that button down for a second or two, and it pops up, as you can see, extremely bright. You got your miles per hour, you got your battery, your odometer, and you have your assist. Now assist is whether you pedal it or you straight throttle it. This bike will work either way, up to 5 levels. This bike flies. Again, like I shared with you earlier, it's got a good range to it and all of that. So it's really nice panel display. You can see it in full daylight. So I just wanted to share that with you because I think this panel is one of the better ones I have ever seen on an e-bike priced in this range, because this is a really low price, guys. If you haven't clicked that link in the description section or gone to their website to check this out, I think you're going to be surprised with how inexpensive these e-bikes really are. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love this bike right here. I even considered not giving it to my mother because it's just such a smooth ride. And I know you can tell in the video how smooth of a ride it was. Even on a bumpy road, this comfortable seat, you barely felt any of the bumps, which I think is huge, especially if you're going on a long range. And like I mentioned in the video earlier, it does have really good range. It has its battery inside of the frame. I mean, it really has everything you could want. Now, if there were some accessories or some things I could do different, I probably would add either a back rack onto this right here or a basket up front. So what I'll probably do is just buy a third market basket and add it to the front for my mother, because she does like to take it to the store. So get groceries, how are you gonna carry it? Over the handlebar? No, we're gonna get her a basket. So we're gonna do that, and you can get those on Amazon. One cool thing about this bike that I didn't mention earlier is it does have USB charging right up here on the front, which is really cool. So she can mount her phone right there and have it charging the whole time, so she's getting directions. Her battery won't drain on her phone. She won't have to worry about that. So the battery can be used not only to power the bike, but to power your electronic devices like a cell phone, which is really cool. And like I mentioned before, incredibly affordable e-bike, really pretty colors. And again, go to their website, check it out. They've got all kinds of colors and models. They've got straight, they've got the step throughs. They have, this is just the Nomad one. They've actually got other models. I love their bikes. I'm gonna be getting more of their bikes, and I will share it with you when I get those. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy this bike. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.